Species-rich hedgerows create important corridors for nature. By connecting habitats such as farmland, gardens, woodlands and other green spaces, providing a safe way for species to travel. They are classed as a priority habitat and are used by many animals for food and shelter. This habitat is in decline and has decreased in length by 52% since 1999. This is particularly due to replanting with non-native species which outcompete the local flora, reducing the diversity of plants in the hedgerow and the amount of wildlife that can then use these areas. Replacement of hedgerows with fencing is another considerable threat, as well as inappropriate land management. Butterflies, bees and other insects are important pollinators that facilitate the fertilization of many plant species. Food production, natural carbon sequestration and the release of oxygen would reduce significantly if plants could not reproduce. Without pollinators, these services would cease. Conservation and strategic management of habitat is required so that insects and plant populations can thrive in hedgerow environments. This is just one of our amazing habitats in Guernsey and Herm. For information on other terrestrial, freshwater and marine environments, visit State of Nature 2024.